Thank you.
I'll throw myself in. Here, Wes.
Wait a minute, hold on. That's about 18 inches deep.
Hey, Bridget, I didn't even feel it.
I know you did.
Like literally running.
Anybody else? This is going up on YouTube.
Oh, I am. I'm throwing myself.
Go ahead, dude. Go, go, go. Hurry up, hurry up.
We need to play songs.
Here you go, here you go, here you go. Whoa!
Oh! Oh my gosh.
Sukiyaki, man. Oh.
Look at Done.
I'd get you a life preserver, but I wouldn't know what to do after that.
I'm thinking about going in.
Okay, let's take a... Whoa! My little cheap digital, I can't be falling now. Dang!
But I'm afraid that it may soak through to this one and then soak through to you.
Okay. I'm done having... Are we done having fun now? I'm going in the house. Y'all people crazy.
Jump in the snow with us. We've already been there. Yes, I guess that would be a different experience. Bridget,
Okay.
I remember in '79 when we didn't go to school. Now.
Okay. Hi. If you got lemons, make lemonade. If you got snow, get some Kool-Aid and make snow cones.